Hello and welcome back to Zamji's YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and also turn on the bell notification icon for you to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's go. Welcome to my today's video where I shared with you the NECO results 2024 release date, how to check and what to expect. Are you waiting for the NECO results 2024? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, I will share with you the latest update on the release date, how to check your results, and what to expect. So, let's dive in. According to the National Examination Council (NECO), the NECO results 2024 will be released on Friday 13th September or Monday 16th September 2024. Mark your calendar. And in this section, I will show you how to check your NECO results with your mobile phone. The first thing to do is to go to Google and type results.neco.gov.ng and a message will pop up. Just press agree and continue button. After that, you will see a screen like this. The first thing to do is to select your examination year, which is 2024. And the second step is to select your examination type, which is SSCE internal. And the third column is where you will type in your NECO token. And for you to get this NECO token, you have to buy from us. You can chat the number displayed here on the screen for you to get your NECO token at 1,500 naira only. After that, you will go to the next column, which is the registration number. You will find your registration number on your examination slip. So type in your NECO registration number as displayed on the screen. You can obtain your NECO NECO registration number from your exam slip. After that, you should finally click on the check result button and your result will be displayed. And if you are experiencing any difficulty while checking your results, simply chat me up on WhatsApp and I'll check the result for you and send it to you as PDF file through WhatsApp. When checking your results, make sure to have your token number and registration number ready. You will need this to access your results. Also be aware that the results may not be available immediately after release, so be patient and try again later if necessary. Where to buy NECO token? You can buy your NECO token at a cheaper price by chatting 08023429251 on WhatsApp. You can copy the number displayed here on the screen and chat me up on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Remember to subscribe.